Today we are going to solve the sixth problem in exercise 6.4. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding medians. We know median is a line drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side. So now we have taken a triangle ABC and another triangle DEF. Here AP is the median and DQ is the median of this triangle. Now let us write what is given in the question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is what given in the question. And AP and DQ are the medians. We have to prove area of ABC by area of DEF is equal to AP by DQ the whole square. Square of the ratio of the corresponding medians. Let us go to the proof now. Proof is area of ABC by area of DEF is equal to, we know by the theorem area of the similar triangles, AB by DE the whole square is equal to BC by EF the whole square is equal to CA by DF the whole square. Since the two triangles are similar. So take this as first equation. Now in triangle ABC and DEF, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. So AB by DE is equal to 2 times BP by 2 times CQ, because here AP is the median, here DQ is the median. So median will divide this base into two equal parts. So instead of BC, we can write as 2 times BP, and instead of EF, I can write 2 times EQ. That is nothing but BP by EQ. Take this as second equation. Because these are the AP and DQ are the medians. So when, according to this, the corresponding angles of the similar triangles will be equal. That is, angle B will be equal to angle E. So now, a triangle APB will be similar to triangle DEQ by SAS similarity. So, two sides and one angle. So, we will get SAS similarity. According to this SAS similarity, these two triangles are similar. Now, we know that BP by EQ is equal to AP by DQ. Take this as third equation, since ABP is similar to DEQ. Now from the second equation and the third equation we get AP by DE is equal to AP by DQ. Take this as fourth equation. Now from the first equation and the fourth one, we can get area of ABC is equal ABC by area of DEF is equal to AP by DQ the whole square. This is what we have to prove. The next question is, prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. So there are two equilateral triangles. Let us take the triangles as ADP and ACQ. Two equilateral triangles. We have to prove area of ADP is equal to half the area of ACQ. So this is a square now. Let us assume A is the side of the square. So this is a square. This is an equilateral triangle PAD. That is DPA is one triangle. And here another one equilateral triangle is, this is along one side of a triangle, the square. And this is described on the diagonal. So here AQC is another equilateral triangle. Now, let the side of the square ABCD be A units. By Pythagoras theorem, we know this triangle ABC if I take, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So, I get AC square is equal to AB and BC are A units. So, we get A square plus A square. AC square is equal to 2A square. AC is equal to root 2A square. That is, AC is equal to root 2A. Now, this triangle here PAD and triangle QAC. If I take these two triangles, they are similar by AA similarity, because each angle is 60 degree. You know, in an equilateral triangle, each angle will be 60 degrees. So according to AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. Now this implies area of the triangle PAD by area of triangle QAC is equal to AD square by AC square. So now area of PAD by area of QAC is equal to AD square is a side, that is A square. AC square is a diagonal, it is root 2A square. So now we get area of PAD by area of QAC is equal to A square by, when you square root 2 square, it becomes 2, 2A square. A square gets cancelled. So we get area of PAD by area of QAC is equal to half. That is nothing but area of PAD is equal to half into area of QAC, which we have to prove. So hence proved. Thank you.